Hi, my name is Tanya Sanders, and this session, this module, is going to be talking about Google Core. Now, what I consider the Google Core, Hi, my name is Tanya Sanders, and I am a educational technology specialist. My official title is Associate Director of Academics. I work for a nonprofit called NWOET. We do professional development for K through 12 school districts in Northwest Ohio. The title of our series here today is Google Core, and I consider Google Core the Docs, Drive, Sheets, Forms. I also throw Sites in there, but I've done a separate module on Google Sites so that you can get a little more in-depth lesson on it. This is going to be two separate modules. The first one is going to be, if you don't know anything about Google, is Basic. So the playlist is going to be Google Core Basic, and you're going to have an introduction to Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, and it's all going to be talking about the basic tools. The second series, which you're also going to be hearing this introduction in that series as well, so is going to be the best practices playlist. So it's assuming that you know a little bit about the basics of Google tools, but I'm going to expand it a little bit and talk about some tools in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides that are considered next level or tools that teachers should know about. And then the second portion of what I'm going to be talking about in that series is how to integrate those ideas within integration ideas within that tool. So Google Docs, how are you going to use that as a teacher? Sheets, same thing, and Slides. Okay, so in each of these series are going to be close to an hour long. So you'll get an hour of contact time, instructional time to go towards your learning plan for your school, your IPI-DIPI plan. And I have an assessment for each of these series. You have to complete the assessment. It is a Google form, and if you get an 80% or higher, it will automatically send you a certificate stating that you have completed an hour of training for Google Basics and for Google integration. So I hope you enjoy this series. My email address is on the previous slide. I'll show that to you again. So if you have any questions, it is sanders@nwoet.org, and it should also be included on the YouTube description, the form, any kind of resources that I'm using, email address, all of that will be included in the YouTube series. Make sure that you subscribe and like, or whatever everybody's supposed to do with these YouTube things. So you can get notifications of when new series are released from our channel. Okay, so I look forward to talking more about Google Core basics, and or if you're going to be looking at the integration model, that as well.